Now, so I've got my ground floor plan open and I'm coming across here to the properties of the view. And what I want to do is introduce an underlay. See this one here now? So I'm going to introduce the top of foundation underlay. Now I can see where my tassel walls have come in. Well, support walls is what I should really call them. So here is my first floor I'm going to put in. So I'll do sorry, it's a floor, architectural floor here. And again, I'm going to have to do a little bit of finagling here. So I'm going to take that one, I'm going to edit type, I'm going to duplicate, and this is just going to be a concrete floor, right? Like so. And again, I can put in TDS P401 just to identify it with this project here. I'll go OK. I'm going into the projects here. Now, so first of all, I don't want this precast. This is going to be cast in situ. Remember we did cast in situ? Okay, so that's that one. I don't want a sand and cement screed above, so I'm going to delete that layer. I'm going to delete the insulation. Don't want any insulation necessarily. Could do, I suppose, but I'm going to say no. I'm going to delete that layer. I'm going to delete that layer. So I've got a plain, straightforward 150 concrete. And actually, I'll make that 100. So that's just 4 inches of concrete. And that's, I think, more than enough to do this job here. So there we go. Now I am ready to do this floor. So I'm in sketch mode here, and I can simply take out my rectangular sketch here and go right into the walls here. Notice that? Okay. Now just bear with me because I'm going to do this 3 times like so. And one more time up here. Okay, and I'm going to go in there. Now, very important, come over to the parameters here, and you've got offset from level. So this is where we're going. We're going to put in -50 here. Put it right on the top of our reference plane. Now, if you get asked this question, always go don't attach to that. That's very important there too. Right, let's get our section 3 back up here and take a look at that. Now, there's our nice little slab, under slab, if you like, sitting in place there. And there'll probably be a DPC or something like that underneath that. Probably should have put that in so we can go back in and revise that if necessary. But I'm just going to do the external pathway as well while I'm at it here now using the same command here. So it's floor, this one, I'm going to use all the same commands. Now watch what I'm going to do here. So I'm going to go from there to there. Now I'm going to pick my offset command, which is this one, and I'm putting in a nominal 1 meter offset, and I'm going to pick each of those sketch lines like so. All right, now I will escape, or I'll just finish this, right? And again, don't attach now. So if I go back to my section here, you'll see now I've got my outside slab there as well. And yeah, so that's that one. Now, the nice thing about that one is that it doesn't actually, that's a separate slab, and this one goes all the way around. Notice where it stopped, actually, it has stopped there, which maybe that's okay. So we leave a little bit of drainage or something there. We could do that, or we could actually change the sketch of the floor in order to bring it in tighter to that wall there. If I have time to do that, I will do that, I think. So I'll pick it and I'll go in and I'll say edit boundary, and I'm going to use my align command here. I'm going to say, again, tabbing to get the outside of the wall to that, align that. Back in here, and it's going to tab again to that, align that, and we'll just come over here and do that again. So it'll be to that, align that. I don't think that one worked. Okay. And I have about 29 seconds to get this done. So let's see if I can do that again. So it's align. Let's tab to that, align that one. And then the last one will be tab to that, align that one. And I'll finish that and I'll go into my section. Don't attach, go into my section. Now you can see that the floor is in tight there. Okay, we'll pick this up